How to edit messages on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Did you know that Instagram has introduced a new feature allowing you to edit your sent messages? That's right, if you are not aware of this recent update, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of editing your sent messages on Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram on your device, tap on the message icon at the top, select the account you wish to chat with, start a conversation with the intended recipient. If you have made a typo error or sent the wrong message, long press on the message you want to edit. Select the edit option from the menu. Edit the message as needed. For example, correct any typo errors or amend the content. Once you have made the necessary changes, click on Done. Above all the edited messages, you will see Edited. This notification informs the recipient that modifications have been made to the message. And just like that, you can effortlessly edit your sent messages on Instagram and rectify any typos or errors. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.